What if I told you that 7 simple investment categories have historically had the potential to double people's money in under a decade? No get-rich-quick nonsense, no hype. Just real strategies smart investors have used for years. Stick around, because number 4 is the one most people completely overlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Markets go up, markets go down, and past performance never guarantees future results. Always do your own research or talk to a licensed professional before investing. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1, broad market index funds. Think S&P 500 funds. Historically, the U.S. stock market has averaged around 7 to 10% annual returns over long periods before inflation. At that pace, money can roughly double every 7 to 10 years, but that's an average over decades, not a promise for any single stretch of time, including between now and 2030. Number 2, growth stocks in sectors like technology, clean energy, or healthcare innovation. These carry higher risk and higher volatility, but historically, strong growth companies have delivered outsized returns during boom periods. The catch? They can also drop hard. Diversification matters here more than almost anywhere else. Number 3, real estate, whether that's rental property or REITs. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate has historically appreciated over time and can generate rental income on top of that. REITs let you invest in real estate without buying property directly, which makes this option more accessible for beginners. Number 4, and this is the one people sleep on, dividend reinvestment plans. Instead of taking dividend payouts as cash, you automatically reinvest them to buy more shares. Over time, this compounding effect can meaningfully accelerate portfolio growth, especially in stable dividend-paying companies. Number 5, bonds and fixed income investments. These won't double your money quickly, but they historically add stability to a portfolio and can protect against stock market downturns. A balanced portfolio often blends growth assets like stocks with safer assets like bonds. Number 6, tax advantage retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA. The real secret here isn't a hidden investment, it's the tax benefits and often employer matching contributions. Combined with long-term compounding, these accounts have historically helped many people build significant wealth over time. Number 7, and maybe the most underrated, investing in yourself. Certifications, skills, or starting a side business can increase your earning potential, which then fuels every other investment on this list. Higher income means more capital to invest. So here's the truth. Nothing on this list guarantees your money will double by 2030. Investing always involves risk, and returns depend on market conditions, timing, and your own strategy. What history does show is that patience, diversification, and consistency have historically rewarded long-term investors more than chasing quick wins. If this video helped you think differently about building wealth, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment telling me which investment you're most interested in. See you in the next one.